Do 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of active rest. That's when you're preparing for the next round. We've got 3 exercises. We're going to start upper body, core, and then finish with legs. 3 rounds of this. We're starting with our bicep rows. So I'm going to start now, and I'll talk you through each exercise. Get ready to work. 2, 1. Palms facing upwards, elbows into the chest. We're going to row ourselves back, pull ourselves in with the arms. Keep the knees soft, squeeze your bum and draw your abdominals nice and flat. Pull yourself on in, lower the chest down, straight arms, pull the elbows into your sides. Keep working here. This is your very basic bicep row for the back and chest. Elbows squeeze tight to the rib cage, shoulders down. Squeeze that bum, push your heels down, keep that little bend in the knees. Good, you've just got 12 seconds. Keep rowing. Keep that tummy nice and flat. Don't bend through the back. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Change position. Keep the straps along. You're going to come down onto your knees. Walk yourself back towards the ankle point. Push your pedals together and outstretch your arms. Squeeze your bum nice and tight. Keep that tummy flat. Reach the arms forwards into your tricep roll out and pull the arms down. Squeeze the bum. Reach forwards and overhead. Keep the bum squeezed nice and tight. You want to make sure you've got a nice straight line from knee, hip and shoulder, and you're utilising the shoulders driving down your back as you reach forward, squeezing the pedals together. Squeeze the bum nice and tight. Try not to bend through your hips. If you want to make it harder, walk further away from the point, or the ankle point, sorry. And you can hold here for a little second pause in each rollout. Good. The further you come towards the ground, the harder it gets. Good. Let's stand upright to finish off leg set here. We're going to do our jump squats. Keep the elbows into your side, shoulders back and down. You can modify this back to squats if you'd like. Let's start with a normal squat. Bend at the knees, lower the legs down, straighten the arms, pull yourself back on up with the chest. Bend and pull on up. Now if you want to make this into a plyometric exercise to make it harder, you're going to jump and lower down through the glutes. Jump up and down. Good, you're halfway, you've got 20 seconds. Use the arms to pull you back on up. Land softly through the ball of your foot deal, and then down through into your heels. 10 seconds. Keep it going, shoulders down, lower the bum down. 2, 1, rest. Beautiful. So repeat that 3 times. And then we're still working at 45 seconds. With 15 seconds rest in between to reset and change exercises. We're going to do these 3 exercises again for 3 rounds. I'll start the first round with you and you can repeat it. We're going to do upper body, core and lower again. Chest press, oblique reach or sling, and then a split lunge. Grab hold of the paddles, keeping the levers nice and long, these straps nice and long. We're starting with our chest press or push up. Come in between the straps. Straps are over your forearms. Start with soft knees, bend at the elbows, push them back towards your anchor, and keep the tummy in nice and tight, glutes squeezed. Extend the arms forwards to bring you up out of your press up. Squeeze the shoulders back and down, elbows towards the back of the ropes. Exhale, push away. Keep the bum nice and tight, keep the arms lifted at about shoulder or armpit height. If you want to make it harder, walk your feet back towards the ankle point. Keep a little bend in the knees. Squeeze your bum so you're not letting your back sway. Lower the chest down between the straps, push forwards to extend your arms. Pushing your chest away. Beautiful. 2 straps. You're going to loop 1 strap into the top pedal of 1. Pull on the strap to make it nice and tight. Elbow in by your side. Hand is resting on your chest. Bent knees, squeeze your bum, push your hips forwards. You're going to extend the arm and lower your chest back and down. Sorry, I'm outside. Draw the elbow into your side, pull yourself up and reach over your ropes. So lower yourself down, pull yourself up and over. Good. Now we're going to exchange halfway through this 45 seconds so we can change sides. Do one more on this side and change. Place the pedal into your chest, elbow at your side. Lower yourself down to extend the arm. Reach up and over with the opposite arm. Pull yourself on in and reach. Keep your shoulder down away from your ear and try and pull your elbow into your side as you pull yourself on up and reach forwards. Beautiful. Keeping the ropes as they are, you're going to place one foot into the cradle. Now hop yourself forwards so you've got space to come into your lunge. You can hold on to a wall if you need, or hands on your hips. Now you're going to bend the front knee, push your leg back to come into your split lunge. Push against the ground and come on up. Good. Try to use the rope, so push into the cradle with the front of your foot. Drive your knee forwards on that front leg. Push against the front leg to bring you on up. Again, we're going to change sides in a moment. One more on this side. Good. I'll give you an extra few seconds. Change over the feet. Walk yourself forwards. Use your hand on a wall if you need a bit of balance. Bend the front knee, push down into the cradle with that back foot. Keep your chest up. One more. Good. You're going to repeat that 2 more times to make final round is the worst of all 3, sorry. You're going to be working now for 1 whole minute with each exercise, and you've got 15 seconds rest. We're going to finish here, so this will be 1 round of just these 3 exercises. You won't need to repeat it. Again, we're doing upper body, core and lower body. So we're going to do our mountain climbers. Then we're going to do knee tucks, which is in a plank position, and finishing with air squats using the straps. So, let's set ourselves on up. You're going to start with feet in the cradle and you're pushing yourself away from the ground on your hands. So, unloop the cradle from your previous round. You want to make sure that these cradle parts are roughly in line with the middle of your shin deal. So to lower, squeeze the clip and draw down. Just below your knee will be about 5. Adjust each side that you need to. And then pull on the ropes to adjust it, and you should be ready. You can pop something down if you want to support your hands and your knees. Just be careful when you squats because you might need to move it out of the way in case you slip. Alright, so now that we're all ready with the TRX, we're going to begin. So, get into the TRX, sit on your bum. Make sure your ropes are not tangled. You're going to cross your right leg over and place it into the cradle on the left side. Hand on the floor, do the same, cross over. And now when you come over onto your knees, the loops are not crossed and you're in the right position. Now you want to make sure that the ropes never have any slack. Give your feet a little shuffle side and pull down on the ropes to make them nice and tight. I'm bringing my phone here. Let's get ready. You have 5 seconds to get into this position. Join me for this last 1 minute round. We're starting with our mountain climbers. Walk your hands forwards, pull down onto the ropes. Lift your knees off the ground. Bring one knee into chest at a time. Push against the ground. Keep using your chest and back. Think about pulling your tummy away from the ground and use this tension on the rope to keep you going. Good deal, keep it going. Nearly halfway. Good, we got 25 seconds. Knees to chest. Keep drawing your belly away from the ground. Use your arms. Keep your chest away from the ground. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Come down onto your knees. Stand upright, come into your squat position, move your mat out the way so you don't slip. Good. Walk your feet towards the anchor at the top of your TRX. Elbows into your sides. Good. Push your bum back and down, extend your arms to lower your glutes to the floor. Pull yourself back on in. Nice and simple squat. Use the back and chest to squeeze your bum to push against the ground and come back on up. Good. Lovely. Keep it going. You've got 35 seconds left of working. We're going back to the ground to finish with knees side to side for our knee tucks. Good. We got 22 seconds. Really use the arms, push the bum back down towards the ground. And now I'm moving just out of shot. 10 seconds. Last 5, keep it going. 2, 1. Beautiful. Come back to the ground and pause you for a second. Grab the mat. Come back to your start position. Pause there. Again, left foot into the right cradle. Hand on the ground, right foot into the left cradle. Bring your knees on and over. Pull down on the straps so that they're level. Bring your hands onto a mat if you need. Get ready. Coming back up into the plank position. Walk your hands forwards, chest over your palms. Lengthen your legs, pull your hips off the ground. Good. Knees come over one side and then extend. Knees towards one elbow and extend. If you need to rest at any time, you come back to knees on the ground for a little break and then you come back up to finish. So you can rest here in plank in the middle at any time or knees back to the ground. Over halfway. Final 20 seconds. Final 10. 5. 'Knees down. Your arms will burn. Your chest will burn, your shoulders will feel it, your back, your abdominals and your glutes. You're all done. Oh.